If you're planning on replacing your kitchen, bathroom, or adding storage to other parts of your home, before you meet with a designer, it's a good idea to get a few measurements of the space you'd like to remodel. And I'm going to show you how in just a few easy steps. First, grab a pen and paper as well as a steel tape measure. You'll want to begin by sketching an outline of your kitchen. For your sketch, you'll need wall-to-wall room dimensions, the width and height of doors and windows, the location of your appliance connections, plumbing drain lines, supply lines, as well as outlets and switches. You can label each wall with a number or letter for easier reference in future design planning discussions. Precise scale isn't important. Take pictures of each wall, as well as closer shots detailing any obstructions. This helps your designer visualize the things that you've noted in the drawing. Now measure the full width of each wall from corner to corner. Make sure you write down those dimensions on your drawing. Measure the center line of any appliances to the nearest wall. It can be helpful to get the overall dimension of any appliances that you plan on keeping. Also measure openings and obstacles. For doors and windows, be sure to measure from the outside edge of the frame on the one side to the outside edge of the frame on the other. Also measure the height of that opening. And for windows, the distance to the floor. Identify all water supply and drain lines, gas lines, electrical outlets, and HVAC vents. If you can't see the gas lines or electrical outlets behind the range, measure to the center of the range. The gas line or plug will be located nearby. Be sure to measure the height of the room in a few different locations. Double checking what you've written down is always a good idea. And when you're all finished, you can take your sketch drawing as well as plenty of photos and send those to a designer. It's a great way to make sure that first design appointment is successful.